these knives, I'm going to be using this maple for the actual knife part, and then this walnut for the handles. So let's go. Okay, so I found these knife templates online, and I'm just gonna lay this on here, then I'm gonna cut like right here, then I'm gonna cut this in half and then run through the planer. So let's go. Okay, so I made 2 of these maple ones, and then I made 4 of these walnut ones. So now I need to glue these on here, but I don't like just to glue it. I always put masking tape beneath it, and then that helps it. Then the glue doesn't actually stick to the wood. So when you lift the glue up, it doesn't like split it or anything like that. So that's why. So I always like to use masking tape. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna go and drill out 3/8 of an inch holes in all the spots, and then I'm gonna use those to hold the pieces together when I'm like sanding it and stuff. And I actually already tried to make my own dowels, but that failed drastically. So I'm just gonna use these like oak or whatever dowels. It's not gonna match perfectly, but that's I want dowels on it, so that's what I'm gonna use. So let's go. Okay, so now that I have all the holes drilled, I'm just going to take off all of the tape and templates. So I'm going to do that really quick. Okay, so now I'm going to glue all these together and then let them dry. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so the knives are dry, so I'm just gonna cut off the dowels with a scroll saw. Okay, so now I'm gonna sand this down so that it looks like this, and then I'll do all these, like the curves and stuff, on my drill press. So let's go. Okay, so I have this knife and I put a little bevel on it on the drill press on like the cylinder sander or whatever, and then I also used the belt sander for a bevel. So now I'm going to do the same thing with this knife. Okay, so now that I have the bevel on both of the knives, I'm going to use this cylinder thingy jobber and do all these edges. Okay, so now I need to apply the oil, and because these are knives and they're going to be cutting food, I'm just going to use some mineral oil, and yes, this is a gallon of mineral oil. So let's go. Okay, so now I'm gonna let that sit for a while, and then I'm gonna wipe off the rest of it, so bye. Okay guys, so here is the finished product. This knife really turned out awesome, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. It took me a couple days. I used walnut and maple, and I actually have no idea if it's gonna cut cake or not, but I guess we'll have to find out later.